When liquid bromine is added to aluminum foil, the two substances react. Heat and light are indications of a chemical reaction. Aluminum bromide is produced and deposited onto a cooler surface.
Chemical equations are a way to describe chemical reactions using symbols. The materials undergoing the chemical reaction are the reactants. The materials created by the chemical reaction are the products. Individual atoms and molecules in the reaction are separated by plus signs. The relative amount of each reactant or product is shown in front of the symbol for that substance. Symbols in parentheses after the reactant or product show the form of that substance, solid, liquid, or gas. AQ stands for aqueous and indicates that the substance is dissolved in water. Products and reactants are separated by an arrow indicating the direction of the reaction. If arrows point in both directions, the reaction is reversible. The products of this reaction can undergo another reaction that turns them back into the starting materials. If something is required to make the reaction progress, such as heat, pressure, or a catalyst, it is shown over or under the arrow. Signs of a chemical reaction. Signs of a chemical reaction may include release of gas or bubbles, formation of a solid, color change, and energy released as light or heat.
Sometimes, a chemical reaction will make gas. If this occurs in a liquid, you might see bubbles. For example, when we add vinegar, an acid, to a solution of baking soda, which is a base, a lot of fizzing occurs because carbon dioxide is released. Some chemical reactions produce a precipitate. When a solution of blue-tinted Epsom salt is added to a solution of water and household detergent, a precipitate forms. A color change is also a useful indication of a chemical reaction. Indicators, such as phenolphthalein, change color when a solution reaches a certain pH. We can tell that certain chemical reactions have occurred because the pH of the solution has changed. The production of heat or light is a strong indication that a chemical reaction has occurred. Fireworks are a good example of a chemical reaction that produces heat and light.
A precipitate is a solid that is produced as a result of a chemical reaction in solution. When sodium sulfide reacts with cadmium nitrate, it forms a yellowish-orange precipitate of cadmium sulfide.